you did, then don't hug it. बार फिर से करते हैं, मजा नहीं आया. I wanted to show you this lip like. छे. What's up cuties, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, then hi, my name is Nidhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I make videos related to fashion and beauty, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go subscribe, because I know maybe most of the audience सिर्फ video देख रही है and मुझे subscribe नहीं कर रही है. तो please take a moment and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, so every time I upload a video you get notified. And for today's video, as you all know, like अब तो title से तो पता चल ही क्या होगा कि why I'm here. So I'm gonna talk about this lip liner set, which is from Swiss Beauty, and I don't know why कोई बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा है इसके बारे में, but they are very reasonable and really good quality. Let me show you. So first I'm gonna talk about the packaging, because this packaging is not worth like 500 rupees, can you say? And it's like tin. I can hear this, and it's very sturdy and strong box. And the lip liners we have here is 12 shades, so you are getting 12 shades of lip liners in I think 400 and 500 rupees. So first of all, these lip liners are available in multiple platforms like Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and वॉट नॉट. सो आपको सब में अलग अलग प्राइजेस देखने को मिलेंगे. आप अपने पॉकेट के अकॉर्डिंगली या अपने बजट के अकॉर्डिंगली आप खरीद सकते हो कहीं से भी, बट दे आर रियली गुड. लेट मी शो यू हाउ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट कम्स इन दिस टिन बॉक्स विच इज वेरी स्टर्डी, एंड आपको लिप लाइनर रखने में भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. लाइक देयर आर 12 पेंसिल्स, तो it's not gonna go anywhere if you store in this one. So yeah, the box is very sturdy and good, and here we are getting 12 pencils. So I have used them like quite a lot, and एक दो को तो मैंने sharpen भी किया है already. तो yes, and yeah, what is this? Yes, so here we have 12 shades. So in this box we have nudes, we have pinks, we have burgundies, we have red, maroon. Everything I think you need in your life is here, but mostly इसमें ना थोड़े से red का tone ज़्यादा है. That's the only thing I like. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. Like थोड़ा सा मुझे nude shade और चाहिए थे. So that's what I was disappointed. Rest everything was like top notch. So these are 12 pencils. Mostly I can see reds and pinks. So that's the thing मुझे थोड़ा सा disappointing लगी. बाकी I think they work really good. They are super creamy and pigmented. Trust me. Wait, I'll show you one swatch on my hand so you can get the idea how they are. First I'm gonna use this color. This is my favorite shade from this collection. First of all, the packaging looks like this. You get the name and the everything, the branding is here, and then you have the shade name here. So this is in cherry brown, which is my most favorite shade from the collection. I'll show you the swatch. So see, this is one swipe pigmentation, if you can see. So if you wanna make a bold lip line, so you can do that. If you want precise, then you can go lighter also. And this is really smooth, like really smooth. Some pencils are like नहीं जिसको ऐसे like you have to rub a lot. It's not like that at all. ये बहुत स्मूथ है, एंड आपको ऐसे 4-5 बार ऐसा घिसना नहीं पड़ता है अपने होठों पे, विच इज लाइक रियली गुड फॉर योर लिप्स, क्योंकि आप कुछ बहुत ही जेंटल लगा रहे हो अपने लिप्स में. दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट दिस वन, बिकॉज जब मैंने इसको खरीदा था तो आई वॉज नॉट श्योर कि कैसा होने वाली है चीज़ें, क्योंकि 500 रुपये में आई वॉज लाइक maybe it's not good, but let me try. तो मैंने इसे मंगवाया, and the moment I swatched on my lip, it was really smooth. I was quite impressed with the quality. In 500, they are doing the best job, and the pigmentation is really good. So I'm gonna swatch all the 12 shades for you on my lips so you can see how it looks on me, or if you wanna purchase any single of them, तो you can go ahead and get them. And anyway 500 रुपये में I think आपको बहुत अच्छी डील मिल रही है, because अगर आप सिंगल भी लेने जाते हो तो इट कॉस्ट यू आई थिंक 49 और 50 और समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड अगर आप पूरा सेट खरीदते हो तो भी आपको ये लिपस्टिक लाइक 50. So these lip liners are super pigmented and these are super matte. So if you wanna wear only the lip liner, that also you can do. And as you all know, I'm a big fan of matte lipsticks and not gloss person anymore, so I'm really loving it, and they are very smooth on your lips. And if you feel कि थोड़ा सा dry लग रहा है, then I would suggest कि लगाने के पहले like 5-10 minutes पहले you put some lip balm or Vaseline, and then you pat it dry with a tissue paper or cotton pad, like इसे हल्का सा pat करना, and then put on the lip liners, and it will be like super comfortable on your lips. And अगर आप इसको without lipstick भी लगाना चाहते हो, you can go ahead and wear it. And if you want to wear it with lip glosses, that option is also there. They look very like pretty with lip glosses as well. So I would suggest कि अगर आप lip gloss लगा रहे हो तो go for a little darker shade. जैसे अगर आप थोड़ा सा transparent या pinkish tone का lip gloss लगा रहे हो, then go for a little nudish pink underneath, so it will look very nice. And also since they are really matte, so it will make your lipstick stay longer period of time. And for the red lipsticks, I think it's necessary to put lip liners underneath because it will give you proper precision and the red lipstick won't go out from your lips. So yeah, this is really great. So let's see how the swatches are, and I'm gonna go from nude to red or deeper red. तो ऐसे आपको शेड्स का पता चल जाएगा, और अगर नंबर हुए तो आई विल गो विद द नंबर, तो यू नो कि कैसे हैं, लाइक स्लोली कैसे डार्कर होते जा रहे हैं शेड्स. सो आई एम गोना डू दैट. So that's it for today's video. I really hope I helped you some way, and if you really wanna give them a try, I would highly recommend them because they are super pigmented and super nice, and they are super affordable as well. So in this less price you are getting like really good lip liners, that too in 12 different shades. So I would highly recommend them. So yeah, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share this video with your loved ones, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.